I really want to show you guys a very small but very important step that I missed when I used this, and I just recently learned it as I was learning how to use the tool and play with it. So this is your power button, but this button is also what activates the ID curl. So I have my phone here, and then I have the device right here. Once you set up your device, this is the screen that you will come to. And then when you switch on, then you push up.
And this will allow you to go through each of the sequences: wrapping, styling, and cooling. You can adjust these times, as I mentioned in my previous videos, to your liking.
The Bluetooth feature only works on these two barrels. I know it's a long awaited video, but I finally washed my hair and it's at the right dry level to show you guys the Dyson Bluetooth feature. I'm gonna use one side with the conical barrel and then the other side with this barrel so you guys can see what the difference is. Look how tight that curl is. I know not everyone has the luxury of having two devices, so don't think that you have to. Just be mindful that you have to be on your phone or any device that has a Bluetooth feature, and you just log into your account to connect it. So you're not going to be really able to use your phone if you are using the Bluetooth connectivity. This is with the conical barrel. You can see the curls are very nice and defined. And this is the regular barrel. Let me know which one you guys like better, the conical barrel style curl or the regular. I do think that these will last longer over time because they are tighter, but if I was just going style and go, I would prefer this style better. Because I did my hair on 80% dry, I do want to see how these last, so I'm not going to comb them out today. I'm gonna see how well they do overnight, and I'll check back in with you guys. I haven't combed out my curls, but this is what my hair is looking like this morning. This is the conical barrel side, and this is the side with the regular barrel. And it looks like majority of my curls have fallen out on this side, but this side is still looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and comb them out, and I'll show you guys what they look like after. This is the conical barrel side, and this is with the regular barrel. I feel like this isn't bad for overnight, and this will probably last me another couple of days, but this definitely needs a redone. If you're wondering if the conical barrel is worth it, I would 100% say yes, because look, the curls are still very much intact. I hope this video was helpful.